Hello, this is today's Tàijíquán Tip here at Someday Farm with me, of course, Stephen Watson. And today's Tàijíquán Tip is to, I guess we'll just say, respect the jab, right? Hard to find a martial art that would not benefit by a jab. Even if I'm picturing like an escrimador with two sticks, they can still have that jab function. Even with the sticks in the hands, in both hands. And in Tàijíquán, we'll generally go from one jing to the next, one jing to the next. And so what I'd invite you to do when you find yourself with your lead hand over your lead leg, which might not always be the case, try throwing a jab or a couple jabs before you do the jing. So of course, this is going to break up the flow of maybe your chi, but certainly the rhythm flow of your form. So let it do that. That's fine. But functionally, in the art, if I have a rollback, I might definitely do better to have a jab and then the rollback, and then a jab and then the G, right? So going through the form, looking for opportunities to throw a jab, to practice a jab, and maybe the jab doesn't have to do it like I just did. Maybe the jab is just like Tai Chi, and then you have the roll back, and then I come back forward, and I jab, and I do the G. So maybe it follows a similar pacing, but to look for those opportunities to explore range checking, damage doing, feinting, right? Give them something to deal with before you do your other technique. There's a lot of fantastic reasons to do the jab. So if you know how to do a jab, you should have some idea about all those. So enjoy that. And, after you give them the double jab, maybe give them a booster shot, third jab. Why not? It's good for them.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.